Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My boyfriend and I made some super cute centerpieces for my friend's baby shower. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial. Thank you for watching. So these are the items you will need: a small bucket, some foam sheets, we got some glittery ones and some black ones, some sticks, an art knife, some glue sticks, scissors of course, and a glue gun. I started by setting some sticks on the bucket with tissue paper, and then of course we cut some stencils to be able to trace. We trace the shirts, all of the parts that are included on the centerpiece. We used the art knife to cut all of the shapes involved in the centerpiece, especially the letters. Those are hard to cut with some regular scissors. And then we glued the shapes on the shirt and also on the mask. We added a backdrop to the lettering so it could stand out more. And that's it. We glued all of the shapes on the sticks. We placed them inside the bucket, like I said, with some tissue paper. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below. This is a quick tutorial, but I hope you enjoyed. If you want us to go more into detail, please comment down below and give it a thumbs up. If you have any ideas, also comment down below. Thank you so much.